Hello everyone. Now in this video I am going to discuss about the topic billing. Billing is a page where we generate bills and give it to our customers. Now here you can see this is billing. When you click on this page is opened. Before you start using this page, go to the left and see a toggle how to start. When you click on this, you will have few steps that will guide you while you are doing. If you have any doubt, you can refer here. Okay. Now, in this page, this is called the item list area, where the list of items are added. This is the taxes area, where you can add the default taxes. This is the customer detail area, where you can add the details of the customers like his phone number, his name, his details. This is discount, where you can add the discounts manually. This is roundup, when you can make the amount into a round figure. This is invoice, where you will have the invoice bill number. This is mode of payment. Here you can select the mode of payment like cash, card, net, anything. And here this is the generate button. When you click on this generate, the bill is generated. But before you click, you should know that you have to allow the pop-up. Here you can see in this note. For much more clarity, if you click on this, you will see that here the steps are given and how to do is also displayed. Okay. Now, how to add items to the list area. I will show you how. First, there is a search here. You can see here, search here. When you click on this, you will have the list of the items and offers. Here these are the items, and here in this you can see a dollar symbol. See here, the dollar means here these are the offers. Okay. Now you can add them. Just click on the item. You can see that the data has come here. When you click on add, they will get added to the list area. The other way is by entering the code. Suppose if you enter this code, and if you can click the tab button or this fetch here. Just if you click this, you will get the details, and you have to click on this add. You see that these items have been added. The other way is when you slide, you can see the list. You can click here. Okay. And the last way is the barcode. For that barcode, you have to enable this. You can see here barcode. When you on this, and by using the barcode, then you can fetch the data. Okay. When you add, the data will come here. Anything. Okay. You just have to click on add. They'll just get added. Now you can see that before the quantity was 1, now the quantity is 2 as it been added. Now if you want to edit the data in the list, you just have to click on the item, and you can edit any data here. Let us take the quantity as 4, and then you have to click on update. You can see this button update. The data will get updated. Here you see it is update. Okay. Suppose you want to delete the data, again the same process. You have to click on the item, and then you have to click on this delete button. Just click on this delete button. Okay. Now if you want to clear data from here, just click on this clear button. Okay. Now we are clear about the item list area. Okay. Now we will generate a bill and see. Now we will add the data. Before we add, you can see that every time whenever we are clicking on the items, we are again clicking on this add button. Then the item is getting added. Instead of that, there is an auto add. When you click on this, you can see now that whenever you click on an item, suppose this, the item is getting directly added instead of clicking this add, because we have enabled the auto add. Okay. This is the use of this auto add. You need not always click on this add. You just have to click on the item and it will get added. Okay. Now to generate a bill, we should remember that there is a pop-up here. Whenever you click this, the pop-up, the hidden thing will come up. To hide the generate button, you just have to click on this. Okay, remember that there is a toggle in this left corner. Whenever you click on this, the generate will be hidden and it will come out. Okay, now how to add the customer details. Here we'll take some manual customer details, anything. Okay, any name, just okay, anything, door number 0. Okay, and if you click on the save button, these details will be saved into the customer details. Okay, now you can, if you want, you can give the discount, or else you did not, you just further round up. You can see here that it is an 80 pies. Here you just make a round figure of this, and remember here you can see 156.80. here 80 is the 80 pies. You can just make a round figure. When you click on this, okay, you see now it is 156. It's a round figure. This is the invoice bill number, and this is the mode of cash. Now when you click on generate, the bill is generated. Here you see A015. Here the list of items are added. Here you can see the price, the discount, the taxes, and the total amount. Here you can see the information, the name of the customer, the date, and the invoice number, and the store's name. Okay, now click here. You can see that these taxes are individual taxes that are entered to each product in the inventory portal. But if you want to keep a common tax to all of these items, there is a process. Now I'll tell you. First we have to disable this individual taxes. For that, the first step is we have to go to settings. When you click on settings, you see that this page is open. Now here you can see taxes in billing. Remember, this is the first step is you have to go to settings. Next, this is taxes in billing. In that you have to click on hide, and you have to click on save. Okay, when it is done, you can again go to billing. Now I'll show you what is the difference. Just add any item. When you click on add, yeah, now see that it's only the price, there is no tax that is applied. Okay, now how to apply the default taxes. We have to go to this taxes button. Here you can see this is the taxes. When you click on this, you will have the list of taxes. And how to add the list of taxes in this default taxes, I have already shown you in the previous video. You can refer to it. Now you will click on the tax that you want to enable. Just click on this, click on this, click on enable, and remember you should click on update, not on add. Remember it is update. When you click on update, you see that it is enabled now. Now how to add the taxes? First step is click on taxes. Next you have to click the tax that you want to enable. Click on this, click on enable. Now click on update. Okay, now you can see the two taxes have been enabled. Now go to billing. Now you can see the two taxes have been added here. These are the default taxes. Okay, now you can add any item. Just click on this, click on an item, just click on add anything. You just have to click on the items. Just now we have added two items. 1 second, I'll check it. Now you can see that two items have been added. Now you just have to click on generate. Now you see that taxes have been applied default. That is 6% is applied to each product individual. In the other, I'll show you the other bill. This is the other bill where the individual taxes have been applied, and in this method a common tax is applied to the all items. Okay, these are the two ways of applying the taxes. Okay, now let us go to the bill thing, and this is the way you can use. Now suppose you want to create a new bill, just you can click on this new, and new bill can be started. Okay, thank you for this video.